beautiful WordPress website in 2025 but don't want to spend money on premium themes, there are plenty of free options that look just as good. Because I'll show you the top 5 best free WordPress themes that are super fast, SEO friendly, and perfect for beginners.
At number 1, we have Astra. It's one of the lightest and most popular free themes in the world. You can build any kind of website, portfolio, blog, or e-commerce store using Astra's pre-made templates. Plus, it works perfectly with page builders like Elementor and Gutenberg. Next is Blocksy. This theme is fast, modern, and built specially for the new WordPress block editor. You'll love its live customizer and dark mode. It's perfect if you're into modern, clean UI design. Number 3, Neve. If you want a fast and mobile-friendly theme, Neve is a great choice. It loads in under 1 second and supports AMP, perfect for bloggers, freelancers, and small businesses. At number 4, Kadence. It's one of the most flexible free themes with tons of customization options. You can design stunning layouts without touching a single line of code. Plus, its free version already gives you premium level control. And finally, GeneratePress. This theme is all about performance and simplicity. It's extremely lightweight, perfect for SEO and speed lovers. If you're building a blog or a clean corporate site, GeneratePress will never disappoint you. So, those were the top 5 free WordPress themes for 2025. My personal favorite is Astra. What's yours? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials in English and Hindi.